Gamification is the use of game mechanics and game design techniques in non-game contexts. Mechanics are the various actions, behaviors, and control mechanisms given to the player within a game context. The mechanics support overall gameplay dynamics. Examples of game mechanics are improve your score, discover something, receive a prize. Finally, the main purpose of gamification is to create fun experiences. Gamification can be used in a variety of environments such as loyalty programs, social media, communication, company productivity plans, and in training. Gamification has become a frequent term in the e-learning industry due to its huge educational benefits. It creates engagement. Engagement occurs when personal efforts are rewarded and the rewards arouse positive emotions. It overcomes the natural rejection that humans feel when carrying out boring and repetitive processes. Game elements make more attractive contents and learning. It motivates employees in the learning process. It enhances memorization and retention. The constant stimulus and rewards holds the student's attention while enhances content retention. Gamification is just one of the elements used by GameLearn in its serious games. In the following videos, we have coined other phrases like game-based learning, simulation, G-learning,